Hello everybody, I'm Pirum, and in this video clip I'm going to explain you how to use structure. And for structure also, for the structure also we use it to combine a different type of data into that have a different group, and or we using a structure for merging of different data type uh, that can into a group easy to manage, such as student registration number or data type integer, string type student name, or gender or type of boolean. And for general form of structure, we can start with the keyword struct, and the name of structure like me example like this, Mahasiswa, and we can declare the member of structure like data type int that have variable nim, cha nama that have element 40, and for the boolean also we can declare it to a member of structure. And now it helps me to explain you in this word code. For structure, this scope of structure we just to declare the Mahasiswa, that structure, and have three member like an integer, an im, cha nama, and bool priya. And after that we have to declare the object of Mahasiswa, data Mahasiswa. And for this we can combine with the member and object that we use the point like this. And for this statement also we just to copy the Haswa Friedland to the data Hasiswa dot nama, and then for the here also we just combine with object and member that start of for that it priya we declare it about that it's a boolean, so we declare it for. And then for this statement we just to print out the latihan menggunakan structure and design. And for the all this statement we print out of the structure and member that we declare above. And for this here also, for this statement also we just to check the condition if the data mahasiswa.priya true, if we detect the priya, and if false it will be detect the vanita. I will show you the result in this word code. Yes, it like this. For we first we print out NIM 1 2 3 4 5 until 9, and nama Hasya Fasdila, and Jenis Kalamis we detect your vanita because it we focus on 4 like this. And now how to explain about structure is finished. Hello, and in this time I'm going to explain you how to use union. It's important to know what we use union for the same memory in our machine. And for this I'm going to explain the word code here. For the standard form of union, we can declare by use the keyword union and name of union, and all the members must in the curly bracket here, like this. And for next we have to declare the object sao to bilangan of the union bilangan bulat. And for this statement we have to operate indirectly to the indirectly. We have to operate indirectly to the integer that have the value 0x1a3f. And then for this statement also we want to print out the value of integer that have in hexadecimal here. And for this statement we use a character union of array 0 to show the value of hexadecimal that store in the same memory of to bilangan dot integer here. And for this statement also we print out the value of the integer above that in the index 1, like this. And I will show you the result here. The result will be shown like this. And now how to use the union I was to finish. And hello, in this video clip I'm going to explain you how to use enumeration. And enumeration is often abbreviated enum is physically used to indicate a number of possibility. And enum also it have a default of first emulator that have a value of 0, and each access to emulator is one larger than a value of the previous one. And if we say about importance of the enum if is allow us to constant the value a variable take on, and can be used to make our program more readable by eliminating magic. And enum also can be used quickly declare a rank or constant value without using sub define. And now I'm will going to explain you in this workcode. In the first normal form of the enum we use the keyword enum and name varna and the member of enum maras cunning Hichu, and then we just to declare the object of Varna Lampotra with lie, and then we assign the high chow to Lampo traffic light, and then we just to print out the Varna lampu yang Mangyala adalah, and then we use the select case width for select the case in 3 case, like case high chow. If high chow will be print the Varna high chow. If the Koning will be print the warning Koning, and the Moras will be show the Varna Moras. And for this program will be show the Varna high chow because we have assigned the high chow to Lampo traffic light, and Lampo traffic light is a condition that used in with also. And now I'm going to show your result to you. The result will show like this. And now my explanation about how to use enum and importance of enum is finished. Hello, and in this time I'm going to explain you how to use bitfill. And before we exporting this code, we must know what is bitfill. Bitfill is specific structure member, and the bitfill also we can use it in the program that move fork a data structure to correspond to a fixed hardware representation and are unlikely to be portable. And for this code, I have used a bitfill like amount bit 3. That first we declare struct take and assign amount bit 3 for the 3 bit. This also we can store the amount of decimal number to 7, and then we use the union so our convert our text like unsigned chart text and text convert, and then we declare the bit that have union, that is union, and then we use the number 1111 assigned to the bit dot text, and for the 16 line we print out the convert of 111 to bit field. Now I show you the result in this program. Yes, the program will show 7 because order of bit in binary will 1 to 1113 time it means 7, and if I input 0 in here, it will be so 6. And now how my explanation about use bitfill is finished, and thank you all for watching this clip. Hello everybody, and in this video clip I'm going to explain you how to use type diff. For a type diff, we often use it to give an alias name to a particular type of data, like in this example code type diff unsigned char by and bytecode. For this it means that we can assign the code have assigned char, you can do that because the byte it was assigned by type D and char like that, and it could assigned by the value 101. And for that is also we just to print out uh, the value of 101. So it will be so like the unassigned char. And this is the result that we declare the code and print code. The result is E because we assign it to unsigned char. And now how to use the type if that explained was finished, and thank you for all that watching my video clip here.